Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tutorials. In today's episode, I will be teaching you how to animate snow in Microsoft PowerPoint, like this. Okay, so let's get started. We have our background and we have our snowflake, which is basically a very tiny oval shape. This effect requires only one animation for the snowflake, which is the fly in animation. And obviously it flies in from top. Now I'm just going to put it where it belongs, right on the ground. And I'll start with previous because we'll have to continuously be copying and pasting. One thing first, I want to make sure that it could duplicate and it could be looping continuously. So I'm going to go to the timing and I'm going to make sure that it repeats until the end of slide, so it's a continuous loop. And I'm going to change the duration to 1 second. So I want to make sure it continuously loops. See, so it's a continuous loop. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to make a minor change. I am going to change the duration. I'm going to put this at 2 seconds. And of course it plays with previous. I'm also going to copy the first one again, paste it in, and I'm going to make another minor change. I'm going to change the delay, so it's going to come about 0.25 seconds after. There we go. And I'm also going to duplicate this one and add a delay in that as well, the same 0.25. And well, that's basically the essence of the animation. The rest is basically you duplicating and planting all over the scene. Now, one would think that it's very easy to just select all and duplicate, but it doesn't work like that, because you would begin to notice the snowflakes falling at the same time. So let me give you an example. If I decide to copy and paste all of this at the same time, and I run this slideshow, you see they fall in the same pattern, you notice, and you really begin to notice a pattern, and snowflakes don't really fall in a pattern. So you have to manually duplicate and paste in all. So I'm going to spread this. I'm going to deal with one first and spread it all about the scene. So this is the only hard part about this animation. So that should cover it up, and I'm going to select this one. Now what I made sure and do was leave these original four in a place by themselves, so I can be able to identify them uniquely and not confuse them with any of the other animations, with any of the other snowflakes. Last thing you want to do is to be confused as to which snowflake you're doing, and then you end up duplicating the same snowflake and it looks terrible. You want to make sure and evenly place each snowflake all about. So this is how my own looks. Your own would obviously look different, and you could change around the way in which you want the animations to flow. You can change the timing, the duration, if you want it to look a little better, because I personally could work on this a little bit more, but for the sake of this tutorial, that's the general idea. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.